See, I did here. I call this live video because of some people. If you not write me message again, ask me why me post that picture, Thought that go for a poof on her head, nah. If you not write me message again, ask me why me post that picture. I said thought that go strike all of una down. If you not call me again, if you write me again, say why me post that useless man picture. Thunder go for poof on her head now. May anybody not write me? May anybody not call me? May anybody not inbox me and ask me why me post that picture? If you not say make the same thunder way, want kill the man, not kill now. May not write me and ask me. If you not say make thunder not kill all of. May not write me to question me. No, he boss me to ask me why me post that picture. I'm gonna be careful. In fact, avoid me. Avoid me. Just leave me. If you see that picture, you not like her, pass her. Leave her, pass. Just leave the picture. Pass. No ask me question. Because if you try again, if you write me message again, why me post that useless goat picture, The naked picture. The same Ogu where he go kill the man will still kill John. When I am so, I'm gonna be careful. Felix, wait for me for guillotine. And they can't come meet you for guillotine. Now today, either you kill me or me go kill you. Or our two go prison. They go carry our two go prison. Me they call that guillotine for you. And they call that guillotine because of you. You can never just carry my baby. Give government, semi government, carry for no reason. You go free. No, you can never. You carry my baby, you give government. You say make government carry my baby for my heart. Make they carry my baby when me carry for good 9 months. Bon. Baby, when me suffer for. Baby, when me they suffer, I don't see you. You know they there. Baby, when me say, since when me born and I made the feed and I made the take care of and I made the do everything. You know they do. You tell government, say me they carry the baby. Are you threatening me? Say if government not carry that baby from my hand, you not go rest because I say go documents where you want and not give you. How me want to give you documents? Now you give me my own document. Now you make me get document for France. Now you give me documents. I me want to give you. I mean you were just spent 20-something years in Europe, 29 years in Europe for Italy. Wait till kill your nationality. Wait till they kill your passport for your hand. Not because of the drug. The drug where you they say and the traffic. This is the way you still they do. They bring women come here, they do ashawo, they do prostitute, they pay you. Not be made the kill your passport for Italy. For the 21 years, in prison where you get for Italy, where can make you run come up for Italy, come France. Now me say may you go they do all those things for Italy. Now me say may you go they do bad things for Italy, may they kill your documents. Now me say may you go they do anything, traffic. They do fake money. They use fake money. They bring women come here. May they pay you. You they do only you want see what they do drug business. Cook only you want they do drug business. Only you want and you still they do cuties. You they use arrow bag at they threaten everybody. They beat everybody. They beat police. They beat all. Not be made they kill your passport for your hand. Now me tell your wife. Your ex-wife say make you carry children run away from you. Now me tell your ex-wife say make you carry your children run away from you. Why you can't be saying at me you say you want to pay proof for wait till you use your hand take cost for yourself. Why you can't be saying at me I'm my innocent baby. Now you want to pay. You tell judge You know, yeah, you say me, George, collect my baby from my hands. They really carried the baby. Felix Ozidede, I know you before. The document where you want to say when me give you. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. I be the house where you say when me give you. Now your papa now your papa for grave. Now give me the house. I be now your mama for grave. Now give me the house. The house where you say when me put your name, when me remove my son name and put your son name so that when you be the owner of my house. As if for waiting. How me go remove my son name and put your son name, say may you be my own, may you come be the owner of my house. Only you want. Now you go still carry friends. You go pack friends come my house. Without say you not go tell me. If me ask you, go begin call they threaten me with a Arubaga. Now say I go do you this. Now say you go do me that. Felix Ozidede, if we go not punish you today, if you not die today, my God. Go take your children one by one. My God, your children, your 3 children, be 4 children, be now 5 children you get. They go bury them one by one this year. You go begin to bury them one by one this year. If you not bury one, if you not bury all your children this year, you gonna say my name not be Kate. Me not be Kate. If you not bury your children this year, you gonna say me not be Kate. You hear me so? You're gonna say my name, not be Kate. If you not bury your children one by one this year, if those your 4 children not die, or be 5 children not die for your eye this year, you're gonna say me, I don't be Kate. Shebi you sabi judge, you sabi defend, you sabi show, take, you see, prove, I get this, I get that. You will be say, they find for Italy. You will be say, then the Italy, they find you for the 21 prison, the 21 years in prison where you get for grant for Italy there. They find you for Italy. Now you call France. You can't say, now me, now you want to use this show for France. My dear, I go worry you till your grave. If you not go your grave, if they not bury you, I not go rest. I not go rest. For today go, I don't be your nightmare. I don't be your nightmare. Me, I don't become your dream. I go make sure say, you see this idiot. This mogo. Okay, they carry the baby come out from my hand. It is say now let me one. No be your blood. Ha! Now let me want burner. That still be your blood now. But you mumu rich. You mumu rich because of documents. Because of your documents. Because of 65 euros. I mean 66 euros. Where there they give the baby where be say the money even they reach me even tell they buy pampers for a week. Now it make you say make government carry the baby. Say you better say where the baby there for government hand. That say the baby go there my hand. You see your life? And that baby, that innocent baby, that innocent baby, its tears go there your head. He go there your head. That innocent baby go worry you. He go also worry the children where you there born. All those your children go die one by one. That one there for government hand. Now government carry on, you don't go die. But your own children go die for your eye. All of them go die for your eye one by one. Better. See you they pretend saying I saw you clean. Where you tell they carry they call. If you has where you not get, where they say you know they pay us rent. You know they pay the light bill. You know they pay the gas bill. You know even they contribute anything for the house. I pick you for dustbin. I pick you like a junkie. Put you for my house. Bath you. Finish. Feed you. Finish. Because they waited to pay me back. Now government will take my blood away from me. You go suffer. You go suffer. You. Felix, you go suffer. You see, say for that swear where the rest women don't swear for you. If they worry, you will be saying, oh, your body full of city like a see where you carry HIV. Now so man. A Nigerian man for that matter go even say you want bath. A Nigerian man for that matter go say you want bath. bath. He go carry water, go they pour up for body. Come out to use sponge. He even take bath, you know they use sponge. Since when me not fairly so the for since 1 year now, that man never use sponge to touch his body. He never bath with sponge. Now say go you enter bedroom, you go turn water for body, go come up for bedroom. You carry towel, my white towel, take clean body. You say my white towel, they go put her for erosion. They go just take go dry erosion. You know the share for all those things. You know the share. Only you want your body full of sweetie. You be like person made the throw medicine give for your baba things where they do. But the one when me go do you now, you go pass that sweetie. HIV go enter you and you go die slowly. Better you go beg for that, you not go see. You go there for this world, you go suffer. You go suffer. You go even they beg God, say, God, I beg, take my life. God no go green. God, because he must allow you to suffer with you cause for yourself. You made they take away my 3 months old, my 2 months old baby. 2 months, just 2 months old. 2 months old. You say, baby, God, they take her away from me. You see me? I blame myself. Way. I regret the reason why. The very first day I know you, if I see you for face, I swear, I don't care to even not go to that prison where you always want me to go. That prison where you always want me to go. I don't care not to not go. But your life, for today go a day danger. I blame myself. You say for the court, the judge even still they blame me. The judge they blame me. How can me open my eye and born for that kind of man? When me not say the baby, if me born now, the baby not go stay with me. When me go born for this kind of man? When me not say if me born for the baby, if me born the baby not go stay with me. This man like they take away my baby of 2 months old. Wait till you want get for all these things where you do. Because of documents. Now me want to give you document after 29 years in Europe. Land you not get for Africa. If you come out land you not get. Money bank you not get for Africa. If you house you not get for Africa. After 29 years in Europe, close it to 30. And how many age you day? How many age you dey? Not be 47. You want complete now. 47 old man. Now him say me they take away 2 months old baby. Government. They want me. Now what did the judge still tell me? Now me cause this thing for myself. You know why? Because why? When me take born that baby for hospital, when you take hospital, cause they make problem with me, say I not put your name for the baby. They go tell me say, may this baby for they save with me. May they carry me and the baby go for a year. They no say me get house. Me can say no, me not they go for a year. Okay, they can still reason and say me they were for France. Maybe not because say as I they when I make me say me no want for a year. Okay, they can still beg me. Okay, they want go rent one bed, one room and parlor for me when me when me day with my baby. I say no. Say I no agree because I don't already get my whole ass. When me I dey where they can't want me. Okay, they go leave this baby for you. In one condition, you know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby. They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they go allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man tell they say me they collect this baby from my hand for hospital. May they not allow me come out with this baby for hospital. When they collect the baby from my hand, for the very day the baby was born, say me they collect her from my hand for hospital. Based on say hospital, they not be that kind of bad people. They not see anything say I do anything bad. Where he go me they collect my baby. Now so they got to change my room. I don't know say information. This man don't give the information. They will lie. He said me no fit take care of my baby. Say me not go fit take care of my baby, oh. Say me they collect the baby from my hand for hospital. Why? Because I say I not put in name. He send me voice record that very day. Promise me he with his useless brother where they call Peter for Nigeria. Peter was the way I see that go kill for Nigeria. Where that Peter, whether Peter be named Peter was the they go die by accident for Nigeria there. That man no go pass. That your brother no go pass this year. Now accident go kill him. That one never do. I got surprised say they come meet me. They said they need to change my room. Now I ask them say why. They say they get why because why the way this man they behave, then they fear say make this man not call you draw this baby, make you not call kill the innocent baby. Because the way the man push the baby made they just newborn. Baby will never reach 30 minutes where they born. If you see the way this man carry that baby, free and throw away. If they drag. He carry baby for nurse hand. He push the baby away. If they drag paper for nurse hand, say you want check on whether I name day, whether I name day. If they tell us say since not be name day, say me nurse go remove my son name. Not be say me not put in name now. Another man name I put my son name because why? The time I get belly, this man leave me. He abandoned me. After 8 months, I was born. This man got to come back. At that time, France got a jet and said, then they don't want her for their country. Again. Now I got to come back. I don't know say a document. Can I come back? Oh, now later, we got to do all those things. Now me tell us, I say, why you go to behave all these kind of things? You want to me to take this baby from my hand? Now you go to tell me, say France not give her paper. Say France reject her. Say France ask her to come up for their country because they don't give her paper. He not get document. Now me tell France say me they not give you document. Now me tell you, may you they pack people come for the foyer where they put you. You they pack people from Italy they come. Say make them they pay you 50 euro. May where you say they carry their come. You they collect money for people hands. And you want to say make the government give you documents. As they want to give you the documents. Where can be say you they do traffic some things for their country. He never do you. They can't say when me come up for the room. They want to change my room. And really, they can't really carry me come up for the room. I don't know say the room where they go put me camera there. I don't know say camera there for the room where they carry me go. So they can't need to ban this man. So make you not come for hospital again. Or see me go come up for hospital. Make this man not come hospital again. Say if he come, if they see and they go call police for him. Really? He go come. They not go grease and make him enter. They go drive him. He go back. The place where they put me, I don't know say camera deal. Now after a week, I spent almost about a good week. Almost close to 2 weeks. Now me when they go for hospital, before hospital call release me to come out. They can't tell me say when me come out with my baby. Hey, the day when me want come out for hospital, now that day me no say that room where they put me and my baby, say camera dey there. I surprised say the Oga, their own manager for the hospital come by himself. Call they wish me well, they pray for me, they tell me say he pray, say when me jama, where you go fit join me take care of my baby. Say the father of my baby is a very bad person. Say the man tell they say me no fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hand. He tell they say me not go fit take care of my baby. Say maybe they collect the baby from my hands. So because I say they not get any proof when they want to collect the baby, now me they call carry me come this room. Now so the woman call take point and go up. He say when me look up. Now me call look. I see say camera did there. Now I say wow. So when I carry me, when I put me for where camera they sees. Since, so why? Now they call, they explain to me, see the reason why. And the reason why they put me for that room, they don't monitor me, they don't investigate me, they still say me not be that kind of person where the man tell they say I be. Say, but they go tell me, say, when me go for a year with my baby, go stay for a year. Even if say I get house, I day way, just for the protection of my baby. Say, because the man not want this baby. Wait till this man want now document, then don't see him. Say the man don't want the baby. Now they say no, they go for a year. They cause okay, may they still go rent one room and bed, one room and parlor for me. Send, but me no go pay. Oh, I no go they pay now. Then go they pay for me. I can't say no. How me go there? Me go still they pay my own house rent. My own house rent when me they pay for a month. And they pay 800 euro. Why government? Why government they support me with 400 euro? Why everything can be 1,200 euro? When me they pay every month for my own house? This man never support me one day, pay my rent. But he go there my house, he go they carry friends, they come with us, he no go even take permission for me. He go they carry friends, they pack, they come my house. They come, they pack, come. I caught her the son of they go to the house. I prefer to stay in my house. I don't know say the house. When we go stay, my baby not go there with me again. Which house? Now wake government go carry the house because I don't want again. I don't want this house again. May they go carry. May they go carry the house. Me no want again. I don't want their house again. I don't want again. As I come out from hospital, they come warn me. They say they go only leave me go for one condition, gay. Say that condition. They no one see this man close to my baby. If they see her close to my baby, they go collect the baby from my hand. And then I cut her, they say, okay, I don't hear. And really, I can't take their word because I don't want to see me they collect this baby from my hand. I know what. Now this useless man called they call my old brother for Italy. They tell my brother, say, my brother beg me. Say when me just allow him to call they visit the baby, just they see the baby for face. After some months, after 1 month, now I could say I allow this man. This man don't come for many times for my house. I don't go open door for him. He go. He don't come many times. I don't go open door for him. He go because government don't want me say if they see this man close to my baby, they go collect that baby from my hand. When I see say, ask Percy, they use goods, they kill safe. For this life, he no good. Say me you, they do good, oh. He no good. I don't kill myself with my good. I use the good. I use and take kill myself. See now. I use and take suffer innocent baby. Small baby for that matter. He can't get one day where this man can come. That say he pressing my bell. He ask me not to answer him. He can't begin to disturb all my labor. They disturb all my labor. They press all my own labor door. Now they call you say, one woman they knock my door. Now me call go open door for her. Now they tell me say, he get that man, he get one time where he always they come call they meet me for a house. Say the man they press it bell. Say when me ask the man why the man they press it bell. Really, I could come out. Now I come meet and say, why you go they press my labor bell? No, they disturb my labor. Again. Now he call they beg me. Say he want just see baby. When me allow him see baby. Oh, see me now. I can't really allow this man see this baby. Make this man call go. Over since then, this man not really leave my house again. I don't know say this street he not get where to stay. He will always dey posty picture, they do like say life dey well for her. He not get house, he not get anything. After 29 years in Europe, oh, he not get anything. Nothing get. House for Nigeria, he not get. Land for Nigeria, he not get. Nothing, not even shenshi he get for account. If you say shoe where they wear, if you put that shoe for your present, you go faint. Shoe where be say crazy person no go even feel wear. Now they wear. Make this man come up from my house. He no agree. Till that day where the matter happen. I not talk bad. Now he carry his friends come my house, even when he know say government bad and say make you know they come my house, call they see my baby. He still carry his friends come, he call the shot for my back hole. Now me take go meet and say, why you go to make noise for my back hole? And you know say government banned you, and maybe government just tell my labor, say make them they watch, make them they monitor me, whether they go see you around this my house. No, they make noise for my back hole. No, they disturb my labor. And your friends, where you they carry the call, you know say government banned you, but allow you to call the see your baby because of say may God not say I call they do bad things. I make me. Even when me say allow this man to call the see baby, common food you know fit buy, pampers you know fit buy. I be the only one way be say I go buy pampers, I go buy food. Now me go buy clothes. For your present, now I carry 400 euro come out. I carry go supermarket, carry go boutique. I use this and take do shopping for my old baby. Still buy food. Nothing when he did. He get one day where the baby want go take injection, and me don't already pay my house rent. As friends, they tell me to get belle say I no fit work, and me I know the work and my chômage don't finish. So government not they pay me again. I no fit pay my house rent. I could get bill of 1,800 for grant. For this my present, now me tell the fine me want to pay. I mean want to pay my bill. For your present, now you another man. For send me that money, when me take pay my bill 1,800, why he still dey inside the house? The man never even come the house one day. The man never see me for eye one day. The man never come my own house one day. After I don't pay all this bill finish, this baby my own baby want go take vaccine, and the vaccine now 100 euro, and his name never dey for my hospital card. So, I need to buy the vaccine, 100 euro. I also buy the medicine, when me go later give after the vaccine. Everything come be almost about 180 euro. 80 euro. Now let me buy the vaccine, still go buy this medicine. I not do bad thing. Now I tell this man, say, what is the need? Say you just dey here. I'm not where you they do. Now me go feed you. Now me go see if they feed your baby. Now me go see if they pay my rent. So, may you go work, not be to just go give hotel. You go come out. You go come out around 6, go give hotel in the morning. Come back around 9 o'clock in the night. You go there, you go drink, you go smoke. And if everybody for there go begin to fear you, because everybody forgive, all of them don't let me know, say, babe, as this country happen to you, you know, say we not go both talk to the man. The man, they like to fight, where. If they like to beat people, they like to they threaten people life, where. So, I beg, may you take heart. You see? Now, what me ask her? How let me want go till they do all those things? It's better say me you just dey for your home. Just go your house. Now this man begin start to. Now he begin they break everything from my house. He begin they break everything from my house. Now so this man carry mirror. He hit him for his head. He break the mirror for his head. Now police come. This man tell police and me break the thing for his head. He as the thing break finish, he carry the pieces. He use a tell mark his belly. He tell police say na me do one. He tell me say the police must collect this baby today from my hand. Say na he make her come. He come here to come finish his mission. Say because he wants to make this baby go for government hand. He not go fit there alive. Say another man go come cause they take care of his baby. Say once away the baby go for government hand. Now this man take up problem. Police call come. The baby they call carry the baby. Today now I go the court of my baby. Judge, biggie judge. This man tell judge. They ask and say, what you want to say make the baby be now? You want to say make they give the baby to your mother to your mother? He say no, say make they not give me. Say make they keep him. Make they keep him for where he dey. Say because if they give me the baby, say me go kill him. Me go kill the baby enemy. He said me go kill my own baby when me born, when me carry for good 9 months born. He said me go kill my baby with my 2 hands. He tell judge, say me stab back for your eye. Ah, something wey happen since last year wey be say na even put me for prison. He don't say where this man they try to put me for prison. This man pack people come my house. He go tell police and I me pack the people, na me carry the people for all the way from Nigeria come here. Say me they call the do how they pay me. I'm so lucky now. All those people called they here. They never come out that time. Now the people as police come bust they bust my ass. Early morning enter my ass. Say Felix Ozide they called they say I they do drug business. And me still they do human trafficking. Say whether all those people where they dey my ass, whether not be me carry they come. Say whether all of them know they pay me. Whether not all of them know they pay me. I was so shocked. If you see what the police do me that day, I had this belly to come. That period they won't carry me go prison. The policeman tell me say na 5 years prison. Now me they go for the traffic, drug traffic and human traffic. What me never do for my life since I was born. Like this man accused me of. So lucky. The people when he tell Ogba say na me carry con say then they pay me. They call there. One of them even they watch me. Favor they watch me. I will say not be favor. I boyfriend. Even tell Ogba say me never know themselves. I never know them. Now Ozide they carry they come my house. Without say he never tell me. Me not know them. Now help I give. As the carry they come and say based on say the Ozide the landlord the don't portion come off for her because he not fit pay landlord 1,800 when the whole landlord called driver come out. Then all these guys called there for streets. Now this man still go pack the come and house and never still refuse. I can't help them because of one for his side. Favor because the girl is very nice. Now me cut her allow they stay my house. Now this man come out, go talk back say I carry people come. The people who dey my house, then they pay me. He talk back say me they do drug business. Traffic drug and human trafficking. Now me they do. Really, the Ogbas, they call him Mumu come, they call Tom and Hasosada. They ever sees them a favor document. They say me, they call me there for station around 2. That was last year, Last year. They call seize there all of the documents. Say me, they call me there for around 2 for station to call talk whether I me really carry the come. Because the owner of the house where they say the girl they go prison tomorrow morning after court. There they carry they go prison for 5 years. Say if they not come for that around 2 o'clock, if they not come, then go come back to this house. If they come, they go pack all of them, and they go deport all of them, go Nigeria. And really, those girls already come for station. Now they saved me. They called the police, no say me no even know them. Now this man, I carry them come my house. Shebe is a big commit evil. Me small picky, 26 years old girl, like me. Now you say you want to suffer. 47 years old man. He they follow small picky of 26 years. They whole grant for Europe. He say, now me want you take pay for waiting. Yes, wife do. Yes, wife do to her. You good to her, and I make her say leave you. Not be you divorce him because of one girl. Because of one girl, old girl. Old girl, so not be make you divorce the woman with four children. Not be make her he carry children run away from you. Now me tell her say make he divorce you. I mean, me tell you say may you go. Now me be that girl for Italy. Make it tell you say may you divorce your wife with 4 children. Why can't be saying na me because he my people? Not just only me one. My innocent baby. My 2-month-old baby. Government collect her. You say make government collect that baby from my hand. And you think say you don't go free. My dear, you not go free. Now your life dead danger. Now you put yourself in danger because the one way me go do you. The one way me go do you, I go make this life, it go top of your head. That time you go to beg God, say, God, I beg, kill me, take my life. And God not go take your life. Better. Should they follow me the challenge? Person where you know say, when it comes to say use money, fight each other, you can never fight with me. With money. Or when they talk about documents, you can never fight with me. Or when they can't even talk about house, you can never fight with me. When they can't even talk say travel, go Africa and really go and show your power there, my dear. If me buy ticket today for your own matter, say me want travel, go Africa, I'll go there, I'll come back because passports and documents they my hand. And when I go there, when I go there, you see those your old children. So when you say you say you not care for this one will be this baby of me. You say make government take them because you already don't get 4 children, I be 5 children. I go make sure all of them go down before me go come back. I'll make sure say you bury them before 90 days, December, before me go come back to this Europe. Oh yes, Nadia. After that one, after you don't bury your children finish one by one, after them don't complete, finish, they don't die finish, it go be your turn. I go make sure say you suffer. I go put suffer in your life. You go suffer, you go, in fact, you go become I go make sure say I go make sure say you go run. I go make you run mad there, You go run mad. You go to beg for God. Say, God, come and take my life. God not go clean. Now wait me go to you. You take one thing away from me, You take one thing away from me. But me will take 10. I go take 10 away from you. Better. I go make sure I take 10 away from you. And after then, the same me will still go to Italy. I go and report you. Now the police people know say you, they France. And now the same business. Now you still they do for France. Make they contact France. Better. You shall see. Shebi is Abi. Shebi is Abi, George. Shebi is Abi, do. Yeah, your brother, said if he will still call me, call they threaten me, oh. Your brother, he will still call they threaten me. My brother don't never use one day to threaten you. My old brother, where you even still call yesterday, send a message, begin the beg and say, make he help her, make he help you beg his sister, say, if you reach court, make him tell court, make he tell judge, say, me and you know the quarrel again. This the same brother where you tell, and the same brother where you go tell judge, say, my brother, they threaten you. Wait till you want to give for all those things where you did do. My brother now your mate. Not be your mate, oh. You see on and go far, that one true. Age. You see on and go far. That one true. 45 years old. My old brother is 30-something years. 47 years old. But when they talk about level, he get level past you. Money get past you. He mature past you. And he gauge past you. You where they wear this all these what you call what me go call all those people where you forgot they carry clothes, all those resto what am I resto the care. All those resto the care, all those clothes where they post picture. People go say he post picture. They'll say, wow, see this old fine man, old mugu. They don't know say the clothes where you wear now, rest all the care they give you. And house you not get, money you not get. You are just living like a junkie. Your life, if you junkie, better pass you because junkie. No go fit tell government say make they collect pikin. Junkie, no go fit say make government collect pikin. Junkie for them to even talk say make government collect that pikin. That pikin better even they say him mama na crispy. The junkie go say make them carry the baby give him mother. Because nobody they want say make it born where a baby go they suffer for government hand. And she or he go they live well. Nobody they wish. Nobody they wish. Nobody they even they wish that can't say at all. What did me do to you? I help you. I remove you for those big. You pay me back. Although I say the time when they try to pay me back. Last year you know first succeed to carry me go prison. Now you can't say na picky. Now you want to pay me. You can't say na my baby. Now you want to pay me now because where the prison where you they want me to go, me not go. Now you can't say na baby. Now you want to pay. And that baby, it tears for today. They your head. And that baby, you no go see her. You no go see her because now this one don't come to be money. You go ready to carry private lawyer and one me go to carry the private lawyer. No, not be government. Forget about government lawyer. If you really know say for the years where you don't pay for where you don't pay for years where you don't pay for this Europe 29 years say where you don't pay for year and you really don't make money. My dear, go and carry private lawyer and let me also carry the private lawyer. May we fight the case. That baby, you no go see. And that document, you no go see. And that name no go change. Because why? You know say, if I no sign for that baby, say make that name come out for there, the name no go come out. Unless say if I sign, now the name will take come out for there. If I no sign, my dear, that name remain there forever. And okay, you will say now say you go still go born. You go still go born on that one. My dear, any woman, open eye, born again for that man. My dear, una go still pass waiting me they pass through so. If una refuse to give a document, or let's say if una want born for a man, una make sure say una give a document, una give a document. But if una refuse to give a document, my dear, una baby go for government hands. I still thank God. They don't carry the baby forever. If you still here, where? Me and you will go to see the baby as for wetin you want before. You first talk and say it's better say make government collect the baby. Me and you go the same for government house. So really, the thing don't happen. And really, me and you go the government house. Well, me and you go to see the baby for there. But wait pay me pass, be say that baby is too small to go to suffer. 2 months old babies too small to go to suffer all those things. Go they suffer for government town because of the name of useless man like you. Or the name of jockey father like you. Or the name of Mugu father like you. But for 1 year, when the baby don't complete 1 year, she'll be because of you. I'm ready to go stay for that for a year with that baby. Since now they say they go take 1 year to find the foyer where me and the baby go to stay there. Stay the foyer. My dear, I agree. Me don't agree. So me and you go to see. Me and you now go to see and for where for government house. Until 1 year, and that 1 year they go need to hand over the baby to a mother. Don't be you. I be you not hear what the judge talk. After 1 year, they go need to carry the baby and give to a mother. May a mother go stay with her for anywhere she want go stay. So my God will put you to shame. My God will disgrace you. Rubbish man, see what they talk. And me they take care of baby. Should they take care of the baby? If they ask you how many times you don't buy things, buy that baby food, buy pampers, buy clothes, you go fit talk? You go fit talk? You don't go fit talk. You don't go see talk. Don't worry. I go surely get my baby back. After 1 year, just that the 1 year is too far. 1 year is too far. For my baby to just there for their hand, they suffer. It's too far. But I go bear her. Till that 1 year, your children go suffer waiting my baby, they suffer for that government hand. Your children go suffer. That government, they say government collect those your children or they go die. Now waiting me go do. You go run mad. You. If even the judge said, even the judge blame me. First, the judge blame me, say, why me go refuse, say, I no go to fire. For them want protect me and my baby. I refuse. The judge said, he confused. He blame me. Because I made many mistakes. The mistake one, they asked me to go for a year with my baby from hospital. I said no. Okay, maybe they go rent one bedroom a parlor for me. I said no, say me get house. Okay, nah. They still tell me, say, okay, since the house when me they say me get, when me go with the baby, may they not see the father close to the baby. I not still listening. They still want me. They don't want to hear anything say, this man come that house, he come my house, because they make problem for where this baby is. They go collect the baby from my hand. Even if say no be me offend them, me no offend the baby. Even if say no, me na innocent, they go collect that baby from my hand because me no want protect the baby by myself. They go help me protect her from, they go help me protect the baby. And really, they don't take her. Now the baby don't dey for government hand. For 1 year. And the said judge also tell me, how me go you look myself? Say I want born.